Welcome to WeCast, y'all. We are checking out this new guy right here, an expansion of the Range Roller lineup. This is the Range Roller HD. Now, this is going to come in 3 different hook sizes, but of course, you're immediately going to notice the heavier hook in this. Now, the Range Roller typically comes with a little bit lighter hook, so I typically like to use a little bit lighter line, anywhere from my 6 to 10, maybe even 12 pounds fluorocarbon leader. This guy right here, you're gonna be able to use your heavier line from your 12 to even 18 pound fluorocarbon leaders. Of course, I like braid to leader. It allows me to have a direct connection to the fish, minimal, expansion of the line. You can use heavier rods as well, so even at long distances when you're throwing out heavier baits like this Sakamata here, this is a 7-inch Sakamata, and this hook ranges from a 3/0, 4/0, and 5/0 from 1/8 to 3/8 ounce. So you're going to be able to find these at Lake Pro Tackle. Of course, just like the Range Roller, everything in that series, you're going to get a very, very good rolling side-to-side action out of your strolling style baits. Y'all look forward to it. This is what the packaging looks like. We don't have any packaging right now at the show, but there should be a picture attached in here somewhere. So thank you very much for coming to WeCast. We greatly appreciate it. Make sure to check out all the cool stuff from Owner at Lake Pro Tackle.